front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of your photos you wanna add. If you can't find them here, don't worry, just scroll down until you see those options. Then find all of your photos and tap on them. When you're done, hit done at the bottom right corner and then send your photos right away. If you wanna take a photo and add it, you need to manage all of those camera options here. Snap a picture, and when you do, it will be automatically attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!